Aloha crafty friends, shakas, and welcome back to Makaz Home. It has been a while and I'm still trying to get back into crafting. I have made these paper clips for journals or junk journals and topped them off with I don't know, is it not a crocheted flower? Well, it's a sewn flower. I got it off some lace trim and I just cut it. But these are the paper clips that I got from my BB's craft haul, and if you can see, I'm just showing you, they measure about 4 inches. Dang, I thought they were 3 inches, but they do measure 4 inches. They're a great size. They're 1 by 1 inch, 4 by 1 inch, and they're good quality, sturdy. This is the trim that I used. I got this off of AliExpress. Sorry, my camera's not focusing on the flower. Come on. Focus, focus. Okay, well, that is the trim. But I just individually snipped off the flowers out of each trim. And you'll see that I back it on the front and the back of the paper clip. Sorry that the camera's not focusing in. But they're just lacy flowers that I did cut off of trim, like I said, and I got the trim from AliExpress. So you need to make sure you glue put the embellishment on the right side of the paper clip, and that's just what I'm showing you. If you put it on the wrong side, you won't be able to slip it over your paper or whatever you're trying to bind with the paper clip. And it's that simple. I used some hot glue as well as some E6000, and it did seep through a little. I'm not sure if I show you that or not, but that's how they come out. You just glue them, and that's how they look. So thanks for stopping by and checking out my quick project.